Hey everybody, Denver Pilates girl here with another exercise to help you out. So today's exercise is a preparatory Pilates exercise called the flight. So we're going to start laying down on your belly. I'm just going to remove my mic, place it on the mat so that you can hear me. Bring your nose to the mat and bring your palms face up to the sky. Now your nose is down to the mat. However, I'm going to lift my head just so you can hear me. So number one, shrug your shoulders to your ears. Breathe, bring your shoulders to the sky. Exhale them down to your back pockets and relax to the front. Again, breathe in, shoulders to ears. Breathe out, shoulders to sky. Breathe in again, reach to your back pockets and let your shoulders fall. So watch that one more time. Ears to shoulders, shoulders to sky. Reach down your back pockets and relax. I'm going to grab my mic back, come up and face you. So that is a great exercise to help your shoulder mobility and stabilize it. Because if you have an unstable joint, a lot of times you'll get pain up the neck or in between your shoulder blades. So stay tuned for more tips and keep working out. I will see you on your mat. Bye.